In this video I'm going through some basic connection problems you might have with your GRBL board and Arduino. So you have just connected the GRBL shield to your computer with the USB cable, and the next thing you want to do is to have some program where you want to control the GRBL shield. So here I'm using the universal G-code sender, and as you can see it can't find the serial port. So it says no serial ports found, and the problem here is that we don't have the driver for the Arduino. Even if you install the Arduino, here I go to the port selection and it's not here. So Arduino uses this FTDI chip for the USB serial conversion, and on a real Arduino you do have this chip. However, on most Chinese Arduino boards you don't have this FTDI chip because it's more expensive than the Chinese clone chip. You can easily check what kind of chip do you have by removing the Arduino from the GRBL shield. On top of here you have the ATmega chip, and if you flip it, here we see the USB chip. So check what it reads. If it says FTDI, then you need those drivers, but if it's a Chinese version it probably says something like CH340. So if your Arduino is using the FTDI chip, it should already work out of the box in almost every operating system, but sometimes it helps if you install them manually. If you're using Linux, the CH driver should already work out of the box, but in case if you're using OS X or Windows, you need to download the specific drivers for them. So I'm just here looking for the driver for OS X, and I already found it from some blog post. So I'm just gonna install it, and then I probably have to do a reboot. After rebooting, I'm gonna try the universal G-code sender again. So let's open it up, and it still says the same error, and there's nothing here. However, if we check the Arduino, let's go to the menu, tools and port, and we have a new device in here. I'm gonna set the board option, so I know this is a Arduino Pro Mini. I'm gonna select that, and it should be 5 volts 16 megahertz. So like it is selected now, so this is correct. Now I'm just gonna test that that transfer actually works, so I'm gonna open example, basics and blink. Now before uploading, it's a good idea just to connect the Arduino without the GRBL shield. Then I just press the upload button, wait it to compile the sketch, uploading, and now it should be done. This means that we successfully flashed the code to the Arduino. Keep in mind, if you flash this blink example to Arduino, you will lose all your GRBL settings and the GRBL itself from the Arduino. So that's why in the video I have a different proto board which I didn't mind erasing. So now I'm going to flash the GRBL back to Arduino. So I go to File, Examples and GRBL. Open the GRBL upload, and then just upload this back to your Arduino. This might take a while, but you can see if the TX and RX LEDs are blinking in your Arduino, you know it's transferring. If you get done uploading from the Arduino and everything went correctly, you should now have the GRBL on the Arduino. The universal G-code sender or other programs should have the device listed in the menu. However, on OS X it isn't actually listed for some reason. But we can fix it easily just by checking the device name from Arduino and just typing it to the G-code sender. Now we get the greeting from GRBL, so we know it's working. And that's basically it for the connection problems.